Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Desiree and my channel name is I Desire Wealth. I hope you all have had a great new year. Today is still January 1. And this is my second video that I've recorded today. Most likely you will see this video in a couple of days. First, I want to say a prayer for everyone that's in New Orleans. And if you don't know what happened, yeah, you should probably Google that because it's been on the news since I woke up early this morning. I hope everyone is okay. Let's go ahead and get started. So this video most likely won't be long at all. What I wanted to do is just talk about my car debt. So when I first got started on my car debt, let me see if I can find a pen. So December 16, 2022, that's when I got my vehicle. This was my down payment. This was the total altogether, including taxes, interest, all of that, all of it, all of the above, which is crazy, right? Boy, I still think about CarMax, Carvana, all of those. I still think about those daily. But after the down payment, I ended up owing $31,583.17. So when I first started paying, which was January, but my first payment wasn't actually due until sometime in February, but we started paying early. So as you can see, in January I made like 4 different payments. Shoot, is that, wait, 1 2 3 4 5. Now mind you, when I first started I had Bank of America. And then I turned around and refinanced. So with Bank of America, my interest rate was 6.24, which was kind of high, not really high since the interest rates had went up. My monthly payment was $466.99. I then refinanced with Navy Federal 1023, and that dropped my interest rate from what it was to 5.44, which made my bill round up to be $406. So I kept paying the same amount. So this is all of 2023. And then we start to get into 2024. So January of 2024, I was making big payments, small payments, the normal payments, all of the above. June 29, 24, I made a payment of $235 and it made my balance $22,181. Hold on, because I think somebody is knocking at the door, but nobody called me, so I don't know why they're knocking at the door. Okay, y'all, so I am back, and I guess it's nobody knocking at the door because, yeah, Travis is off work today, and he's like right there, so I don't know. Back to June 29, 24, I made a payment for $235, which would be half of the amount that I was paying. My balance ended up $22,181.84. Hold on. Okay, I'm back again. As you can see, I've been pretty much keeping up with everything. So let me go ahead and flip to the back, because I actually stopped keeping up with things around June-ish. So hold on. Okay, so we have June. So we have June, we skipped July, we skipped August, and now we are back at September. My total payoff was $19,344.72. I am not sure why everything is shaking like it is. I promise you all it's not me. So we have everything. I even came up with some type of plan where if I were to pay, almost $500 a month, then it would be this amount, and so on and so on. And then we have October. Pretty much the same thing. Then I got into the 20,000s. And then we have November. And we're ending with the, don't pay attention to this because I was just writing stuff out. So I made a couple of payments. And this is just saying it would take me a total of 5 years to get it paid off. And today is January 1st, 2025. This is what I currently owe. So my balance is $19,961.36. 14-day payoff, we'll just round up and say $20,018 because of the interest. Today's payoff is $19,976.19. So if I just paid my minimum, not the minimum because the minimum is just $406 a month, but why not pay extra? Or why not pay the same amount that I was paying at first, right? So let's just say if I pay $470 a month for a year, that means I would only be paying $5,640. And if we subtract this amount from this amount right here, I'll be left with $14,378, which then I can make my goal to say, hey, well, at the end of 2025, I want my car payment to be, or the amount left I want is $14,000. And I say that because since I'm paying extra, this $378 will most likely end up getting covered. I also still have that 200 and whatever amount of dollars that I got in interest for Allie. I know I said I wanted to put that money towards that, but I also want to wait and just hang on to it for a good minute or a couple months, and then go from there to see what's what. So if I turn the sheet over, and remember I have other bills as well. So we started out at $24,242.09, and we went from that amount all the way to a balance of $19,961.36, or $20,018. So what I'm going to do now, since I don't know where my calculator is, I'm going to use this other calculator to see what the difference is. Okay, so I got everything calculated. So $24,242.09 minus $20,018 is $4,224.09. Now, mind you, I've been trying to not put everything towards the car because we got other bills, other things we need to save up for, and all of the above. But that's the difference. So let's see how close can I come to my goal for this year. Let's see what happens at, let's see, 1, 2, 3. I guess I can do another check-in in 3 months. So what I did, and you can buy this, you can download this on Chris' website. So I put the balance. This is budgeting just because Chris debt tracker. So I have a new one and I already filled it out. So I don't get paid until the 8th, and I'll keep track and we'll discuss it some more to see how the year goes for 2025. And of course, my minimum is $470, and if I do need to pay less, I will write it down and go from there. So I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Bye.